everyone at welcome back to my channel. Dahil nga quarantine today, i-share ko po sa inyo ang sangkap sa paggawa ng tuna pie na gawang bahay. Sobrang dali lang pong gawin, just keep on watching. Ang kailangan lang po nating sangkap ay cream bread, any brand will do, at isang mayonnaise, kahit yung maliit na pack is okay na, at isang century tuna in oil. If you want spicy tuna pie, then choose century tuna na spicy din, and breadcrumbs and egg for coating, and cheese. So we're all set na po, so magsisimula na tayo. And then flatten. So there it is guys, na-prepare na po yung ating bread. Naka-flatten na po yung lahat. Sa century tuna, haluan natin ng mayonnaise. Kuha tayo ng lalagyan. Lalagay natin sa bowl. Hindi na po natin ihahalo itong oil niya. And so, na po siya ng oil. We'll add sa mayonnaise dito po sa century tuna natin. And this is optional guys. I'll add some pinch of salt and then black pepper. So there it is guys. Naka-prepare na po yung tuna mixture natin. Next up is, i-prepare po natin ang itlog. And add some pepper. So there it is guys, ito na po yung egg natin. And this is the tuna mixture na may mayonnaise. And then, last step is, i-prepare natin ito ating breadcrumbs. Just on the side of the bread lang. And there it is guys, mag-a-add pala tayo ng cheese. Guys, para mas masarap, lagyan natin ng cheese. Yan, we'll cut this in half. Optional itong cheese kung gusto nyo mas masarap. So, there it is guys. Atin na po i-prepare itong ating bread. Pa-flatten po natin ito. Then, we'll add some tuna mixture. And then, one cheese. Continue lang po natin after our next bread. Yan. Yan, tinidor lang po yung gagamitin natin pang close. Yan. Then we have our instant tuna. And then we'll continue to the next one. Flatten. So there it is guys. Next step is, isosoak natin siya sa egg natin. Yan. And afterwards, dito po sa ating breadcrumbs. Yan. There it is guys, ito na po yung ating tuna pie. Yan. As simple as that, makakagawa na tayo ng ganito.